Hey guys, right now I have one bifold and it's all Argyle and it has no fold-over lines. It's not lined up, but it turned out pretty nice. It's pretty thin, and in the inside it has two regular pockets right here, an ID slot right here, and a hidden pocket right here, and black billfold. And this one came out pretty nice. And also I have some giveaway info. Soon I will be doing a giveaway. I just need some more subscribers. Right now I have 9 subscribers. I just need like 11 more to get 20. And also please subscribe to Michael's Duct Tape. He makes amazing wallets. And I also made a website. It is called lesliesducttape.webs.com. Please go check that out. It's pretty cool. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.